So I've decided to give TIG welding a try. Never done it. I've taken an old DC inverter welder and I've converted it to TIG by buying a torch with a valve, a bottle of argon. So since I have no idea how this works, let me give it a bash and see if I can get something going. Going to need some filler rod. I don't have the correct stuff, but I do have some of this brazing rod for mild steel, so let's see if that does the trick. So we managed to run a bead. It's not the greatest looking thing in the world, but the sort of strike starting, or I'm guessing it's strike starting, it's kind of difficult, so I mess up the tip quite often. I'm going to adjust the amperage down just a little bit. Give this another bash. Amperage is a bit too low. I'm going to back it up just slightly. Okay, that's not a bad looking bead. The only problem I have with that bead is that it's fairly high. So what I mean with high is that there's a lot of filler material added to this bead. But this could be inexperience, trouble feeding the filler rod in. The filler rod is also 3 millimeters thick, so that's also maybe part of the problem. I probably need to get some 1.6 millimeter filler rod, but all in all it's not too bad of a bead. If we look at the underside, we can see we've got decent penetration into the metal, so in theory that should be stuck on quite well. You can probably quickly see if we can rip, like these first ones, they don't look too good at all, but they're stuck. And this obviously is going to be properly stuck. So if I can just get a wire brush quickly. Yeah, cleans up nice. Looks decent. Just the height of the filler is a bit much, but probably something that you can fix with a grinder. With more practice, obviously this would be less of a problem. Also, if I had just half the size of this filler rod, I'd be able to put much less in at a time. But yeah, not too bad for a first go at TIG welding. But as you can see, I'm welding without gloves, so don't want to weld too much like this. I need to find myself or get myself a nice pair of welding gloves, and yeah, we'll take it from there.